Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be really deep cleaning this room, taking down all the winter decor, and then putting up Valentine's Day decorations. I don't know about y'all, but I am tired of all the clutter of the Christmas and I'm ready to simplify. So this is actually going to be a two-part video, but you're not going to realize it. You actually wouldn't if I never told you about it. But we're actually having friends from out of town come, and they're going to stay in this guest room, and I'm going to actually really clean this room, wash the sheets, and I'm not going to put anything back up in here until after they leave, and then I'll drag out the Valentine's decor. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and give this room a very good cleaning because it needs it to refresh the space. So y'all let me know in the comments down below, have you already started taking down your winter decor, or is it still up? Are you going to leave it up a little bit and incorporate your Valentine's Day decor in it? Or are you going to go ahead and wipe everything clean and bring out your spring and add your Valentine's Day decor to your spring? So let me know. I always have a hard time trying to figure out each year what I want to do. Do I want to leave up some of the winter and add in pops of Valentine's because it's still winter here, or am I ready to just go ahead and do like a fresh clean slate, bring in some spring florals, just a touch of them, and then add in all of my Valentine's decorations? So that's what I'm going to do this year. I'm just going to go ahead and pack away all the winter stuff, take it to storage, and then we're just going to add in just a little pop of spring, and then the rest is going to be Valentine's to finish out the month of February. You're seeing me right now fold up all of these comforters. I feel like there was too many on this bed. It's really just because I didn't want to put them in storage, and so I just kind of stacked them on top of each other, and it was kind of nice to have for the winter. But since spring is hopefully just around the corner, I'm going to go ahead and pack all these up. And I bought a new comforter months ago, and I've been waiting to put it out after the winter time, and so we're going to see how we like that. This queen size bed that you're seeing right now is actually the bed and the bedding that I'm going to use that's going to go in our guest bedroom in our new house. And so whenever I found this comforter, which you'll see later on in this video, I really liked it. I love the black and white decor and stripe and stuff, and so I went ahead and bought it to put on this guest bed to see if I was even going to like it, and if so, then I'm going to move it to the new house whenever it's finished getting built. And y'all stay tuned. It's going by so slowly, but that's totally fine with me. We're just taking a day at a time, I guess, and I want to share with y'all some updates of what they have done over there. Also, if you're wondering, we have been staying over here a lot because the temperatures here in Alabama has been below freezing so many days, and we didn't want to drive things back and forth over to the camper. So Drew cut the water off just so we didn't have to deal with any busted pipes because that would have been a mess. And so it's been kind of chaotic with the going back and forth, and it was just much simpler just to stay over here until after this harsh winter goes away. It's really not that harsh. But for me here in Alabama, it has been really cold. So that is what's going on.
And get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave
And you're about to see that I'm going to use this one cleaner on everything, any surface and the glass. Using it to clean the toilets. It is a very effective cleaner. I've been using it for years now. This is the only cleaner up under my sink. I will leave the link down below if you want to purchase it. It is all natural, just made from plants, no harsh chemicals. You don't have to worry about like coughing or hurting your lungs as you're trying to deep clean your home. I'm telling you, once you use thieves, you will not want to go back to anything. If you want more information about the thieves, you can always email me too at simplylakeandlace@yahoo.com, and I have like a fun little brochure thing that I can send you with graphics and all to make you understand why you want to clean with thieves over those harsh other cleaners. And so I will use this to wipe down everything in our bedroom, and I love the way that this stuff smells. It goes a very long way. A bottle this size, you take 1 capful and fill up a 16-ounce bottle, and it will make like 30 to 40 bottles, and so it lasts forever. And also, if you're new to my channel, you will never see me burning candles. I only use essential oils, like the purest essential oils, to put off a natural, very beautiful scent into our home. I don't like using synthetic fragrances in our house at all. That has caused us to have bad headaches, allergy problems. A lot of people, it hurts their asthma. They're actually hormone disruptors. So many bad things with the candles out there. So if you see me burning a candle, it's the ones that I made myself. And I actually have a video on that on my channel somewhere, and it's me making candles with all natural products and my essential oils. So this is what we're going to be using to make our house smell very lovely, and I'm going to be using some floral scents, jasmine and ylang ylang, to make our room smell very flirty. And I know I probably just threw a lot of information that you have never heard out at you. Trust me, that was me a few years ago. But once I learned all of this and slowly ditched all those very harmful stuff that I was putting off fumes and stuff into our home, and switched it to more natural cleaners and natural scents in our home, it made a huge difference in Drew and I's life, and not only ours, but lots of friends and family. And so if you need any help with anything and you want to learn more about it, please email me. I'll link my email down below, and most of the time when I get your email, I'll just tell you to text me, because I hate emailing, and texting is so much more convenient, and I'm so passionate about this and helping you to be able to swap things out in your home that is much safer for your family.
Tonight we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
Okay, this is the next few days, so I've actually rewashed the sheets and re-cleaned this room again, and now we're going to decorate for Valentine's Day. So this is actually a sign that I got made from a local friend of mine, and it says, "This kind of love is what I dreamed about." I got this sign made because this is actually the song that Drew sang in our wedding, and I love this little sign and the remembrance of that, and so this sign stays above our bed all season besides fall and Christmas. And then also, I'm just using all of my Valentine's Day decorations that I already had. I didn't go out and buy anything new this year. I really just haven't had time. I've been so busy with other things. So I'm just going to use what I have. I got this cute little felt garland from Home Goods last year, and I loved it. And And then really what little that I did look this year for Valentine's Day decorations, I couldn't find anything. Y'all let me know, did y'all have a hard time finding Valentine's Day decorations this year as well? So this is the bedspread that I was telling y'all that I found at TJ Maxx. I'm not sure if I'm loving it or not. I put it on here to see, but I actually think I'm gonna bag it back up and maybe find something else. I'm not sure. Y'all let me know. What do y'all think? I know that this pillow is not going to stay in here with it. I actually have this pillow for our couch, and I love this black and white striped pillow, but I don't know. I just don't know if I'm feeling these stripes like I thought that I would. I will tell you what I do love though. I do love this red with the black and white striped stuff, and I will be carrying this over on into my new house because I love the way that this looks together. It just looks so classy and like romantic. I'm loving these colors together. I just love a good clean and refresh for a new season. And here is my beautiful scene that I have pulled up on YouTube. I already know this trick. I just go to YouTube and type in Valentine's Day scenery, and it puts off a beautiful ambiance into a room. Okay, y'all, that is it for today's video. If you love this little clean and decorate with me, y'all, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and then give this video a thumbs up. I have another decorate with me video and a collab coming soon, so I cannot wait to see you guys on the next one. Happy month full of love. Spread all the love and joy that you can. God bless you all, and I will see you guys on the next one. Love y'all so much.